They were fine. We was gonna close the deal, but then Billy insulted one of them, and the heavyset girl said that I had a receding hairline and I was a few pounds overweight, and I was like, go fuck yourself. I swallowed a bug.
You're an idiot.
What?
You're an idiot. I've been sitting over there for 45 minutes waiting for you to come and talk to me. But I'm tired now and I have to go home. And I couldn't sit there anymore waiting for you.
Well, I'm well.
Skylar.
Skylar.
Oh, and by the way, that guy over there, Michael Bolton clone. He wasn't singing with us, so to speak.
Yeah, no, I kind of got that impression.
Good. Okay, well, I've got to go. Gotta get up early and waste some more money on my overpriced education.
No, I didn't mean you.
That's all right. There's my number. So maybe we can go out for coffee sometime.
All right, yeah. Maybe we could just get together and eat a bunch of caramels.
What do you mean?
When you think about it, it's as arbitrary as drinking coffee.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Right then.
Yo! Hey! There goes them fucking brownies right now. Hey, wait, hold on. Skiing trip. I should have beat that little bitch's ass. Do you like apples?
Yeah.
Well, I got a number. How do you like them apples?